Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, we'll analyze the token that goes by the name Seeker or Solana Mobile Seeker. You can say SKR, which is trending right now everywhere. Why? Because it is the native token of Solana Mobile. This is the mobile, and this token will acting as a governance token. So in this video, people are now interested to know how high it can go, whether or not they invest, or of course leave it, or should they cash out their position. So let's dive in. Let's talk about Seeker. Check out the price action and see can we make money trading this token or not. So let's dive in. Now again, if you're someone who is new here to the trading channel, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already. And also if you are a platinum member, please make sure to join my private platinum telegram group. If you are not able to find it, just comment below or join my public group and ping me up and I will let you in my platinum trading group. So let's dive in. So we have here SKR token. You can see the price is 0.04. The numbers are quite obvious. Max supply is 10 billion token. Circulation is 5.42 billion already. Nearly approximately 50% of supply is released. And then we have here the highs and lows of the token, which is actually made today. So look at here, the all-time high of all-time low is nearly 6 cent, 0.06, and all-time low is 0.005. Of course, that was the launch price, and it is trading everywhere. So this is a legit token. It is by Solana Mobile. It is trading on Coinbase, Bybit, Orca, and of course many exchanges. Now the thing is that we have to check out whether or not we can enter and make money longing it or holding it long term. So if you see here from the chart, of course this is day 1 or day 2, and you cannot check the higher time frame because the chart is not yet ready. But if you go to the lower time frame, especially 1 hour chart, you'll get some clearer picture. And as you can see right over here, the token has started pumping. It pumped straight to the level of 6 cent, then declined, and now kind of stagnated. Now, as per my prediction earlier in my Telegram community, especially the platinum one, you can see here the token pumped, then dumped and stuck in this loop, and now going back up again. Now the question is, will it keep going back up? The answer is it can. Why? Because if you see here on this chart, which is an hourly chart, it is making again a low test candle, which is kind of right over here. So these two candles are quite crucial for this token. The bulls and bears are fighting, but right now no one is winning. But since the overall pattern of this token is kind of bullish, which means it is going up, so it can. So I think the new all-time high can be formed from this token, and this token can scale back up further to the level of as high as, let's say, 8 to 10 cent before pulling back down, because since this is day 1, people are not aware of it. Some who are aware of it, they have bought it, sold it, but many of them are actually not aware of it. And when they start buying it, when the retail start buying it, it can pump more. Of course, do not expect it to reach the level of $1. It won't happen in the down market, but it can go to up to 10 cent. That is very much possible, making the market cap of double this value, close to $500 million, which is quite achievable if you ask me. So overall, the token will get traction, but make sure to wait for some time because right now it is stagnated and it can actually pull back down further, which makes it kind of bearish, which means here it can actually pull back down and go to the level of nearly 2 cent. That is also possible. So you should watch out for it. Of course, do not buy all time high. At least let it go down and make an entry. So with time, as the candle formation is complete, I will get a better idea by looking at daily and weekly chart, which are better indicators of the price action long term. So with that, I complete my video. Please subscribe, press the bell icon, and make sure to join my Telegram. The link is shared below. That's a public group, and check out my membership. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.